You just see here, we are getting a cube plus b cube. Okay. What is its corollary? Corollary: a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, the other two terms, this, just to maintain the formalities, you have to keep it as it is. Plus c cube minus 3ac. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you again see this a plus b whole cube and this c cube can be put into again
A cube plus b.
corollary of formula. This. Now this minus 3ab that is left, I have taken these two together because I can take 3ab common here. Have you seen? There is 3ab. Okay. Now a cube plus b cube. What is it? We can write it here like c whole cube. Now this is a cube and this is b cube. Again, it is to be put into formula. A cube plus b cube, its formula is a plus b, okay, into a square. You see, it is a square minus ab minus ab plus b square, right?
Yes, sir.
Then from the last two terms, I told you that we can take minus 3ab common. If we take minus 3ab common, then we'll be left with a plus b plus c, right? Now, this is a plus b plus c. This is a plus b plus c. We can take common this a plus b plus c, right? That means it is a plus b plus c has been taken common. Then what is uncommon? Can you tell me, please? These and these are uncommon. Am I right? So you write down. We can write here a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Minus this one, minus ca. I have written minus ca. I have written minus bc plus c square. Okay. Then we are left with only at last minus 3ab from the second term. Just calculate it. If we calculate, we will get here the same a plus b plus c. And here you see a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc. Math is done. This is the factorized form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ac. It will be given in the examination. The factorize or resolve it into factors. Have you copied it?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, on the immediate before third step, sir. No, sir.
This
One
one.
step below, sir. Another one. Yes, sir, this step, sir. What happened to the plus ABC? I mean, minus 3AB in the very end. You didn't take it. The minus 3AB into A plus B plus C in the next step.
Okay. Very good. I have taken common A plus B
Oh,
plus
yes.
C.
Oh, sorry, sir.
A plus B plus C. Okay.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay. Now is it done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now I am going to a new math. You write down a new math. What is the math here? Please write down the math. The most important math. Write down. Prove that. Can you see? Prove that. Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
Prove that A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to half into A plus B plus C. Write down. Then second bracket A minus B whole square, B minus C whole square, and C minus A whole square. The most important math to be given in the examination. Another math. Okay. So what will you do? You write down left hand side. You start doing the math in this way. Write down left hand side is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now for this math, you have to do up to this. You have to do again. So copy it. I think you have got me. It is a new math, but the first sum stays of this. Now after this, we have to calculate again. So you copy it. It is a new math, what is given, but not done yet. Okay, do it.
Sir,
Yes.
in the examination we have to write this the whole steps again, or we can directly say a cube plus b
No,
cube
no,
plus c
no.
cube minus
You have to
3abc.
you have to do from the beginning.
Why, sir? Isn't it a formula?
It's okay, but it will be of 4 marks. But we are left with only 2 lines. Okay.
Oh,
Done, sir.
I think you have copied it, right? After that, you write down is equal to what is in the right hand side. You see, there is half A plus B plus C. Well, I am going to take half A plus B plus C. Anything wrong? Actually, we have X. Now I need half X. I can write half X, but I have to take another 2. So that these two will be omitted and we will be left with X, right?
Yes, sir.
So as per the requirement of the proof in the right hand side, We see I have taken half, and that half, you see, that half will now be omitted. You see how I am writing it? Suppose this is now half, this is 2, and this 2. 2 will be omitted, right? Now we are left with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab bc c. Okay. After that, you see, we can write here half of a plus b plus c. We can write here 2a square, 2b square, 2c square minus twice ab, twice bc, twice c. I have just multiplied all the terms of this part with 2. Now, you see half of a plus b plus c. Here, what we can write, you see, 2a square means what? A square plus a square equals to 2a square. So we can write here a square. I am telling you afterwards how and why I am going to write it. How and why I am going to write it, I am telling you. Plus right? You see, it is a square. We are getting a square. These two make 2a square. It is b square. B square equals to 2b square. It is c square. C square will make 2c square. And minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Now, actually, it is a plus b plus c. Now here we are getting a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square plus c minus a square. Actually, I have written its formula here. I have written its formula here. I have written its formula here. So we have got the proof. Okay. Is it? Hello? Are you getting me? All of you are required to give here a mark. Suppose this is 1. This term, it will be needed. Write down P of ABC equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Okay. Now can you find P of 2, 0 minus 2 equals to what? What is meant by this? The first thing, what is meant by this?
The value of A is 2,
Okay,
B
so do it. So do it. A equals to 2 whole cube plus 0 cube plus minus 2 whole cube minus 3, 2, 0 into minus 2. Now you calculate. What will be the result? 8, 0, minus 8. Okay. Or any value can be given.
Sir,
Find 1, 2, 3. Suppose this type of value can be given. I think you can, right? You have to just put the value for A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3.
sir, do we have to put the values respectively? For example, 2
Of
for
course,
A.
you see it is maintained by ordered
Oh,
pairs.
order. Yes, sir.
A2, B0, C equals to minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you see, you are told here to prove that this is given. Prove that P is a cyclic expression. You have to prove this. Now, what is meant by this cyclic expression? The word. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C. Now, the direction is given like this: A to B, B to C, then C to A. Have you got it? We can write it AB, BC, CA. You see, it starts with A, it ends with A. In first line, it ends with B. Second line, it starts with B. In the second line, it starts with C. In the third line, it starts with C. Okay. This is CA. Last, it is last here. It again start with A. Have you got it? Again, it is very easy. We can write here A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. The same thing. A, right? We can also write here, if you don't get me, please talk to me. We can also write here A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Not A minus C. You see, it is C, it is C. It ends here with C, it starts with C. The interesting fact is that this is A, this is A. Okay. If anywhere we see out of this, if anywhere we see that we have A minus C, then what will you do? You will take minus C plus A, then take a minus common. Then you see that it is in the cyclic. C minus A, as it is C minus A, not A minus C. Okay, cyclic. I think you have got me. So what is cyclic expression? I'm going to just make understand is that write down putting you see putting A equals to B, you see I have written putting B equals to C, you see, and putting C equals to A. You understand? That is, we are getting here P of what is A? A is B. What is B? B is C. What is C? C is equal to. Now you put the value here. What is the value of A? B. What is the value of A? B. What is the value of B? C. What is the value of C? A minus 3 B C A. What I have done actually? What I have done, I have just put the values. For A it is B. For B it is C. For C it is A. Now we get here by rearranging A cube, B cube, C cube minus 3 ABC, right? And you see we are getting the same. Is it or not? Which is equal to given in the question as by
Yes, sir.
P of ABC. So we can write here P of A, B, C. So it was P of B, C, A. You see, have you seen? For B, it is A. For C, it is B. Okay? This procedure is known as cyclic expression. So P is a EXP expression. So we can write P is a cyclic expression. I don't know that you are getting it or not. Okay, anyway, again you see P of ABC equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 ABC, right? It is again given, suppose. And it is told P of ABC equals to 0, A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. Prove that A square plus B square plus C square is equal to AB plus BC plus C. Okay. At the very beginning of the day today, what you have got, can you remember? We have got P of A, B, C is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3 ABC is equal to, please, can you tell me please, what we got at first? I told you, equation 1, A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. Today I proved it. Can you remember please? If this math is given in the examination, then you have to show this. What I have done here, you have to show it. That means you have to do the math up to this. You have to do the math up to this. Today, what we did at first. Are you getting me or not?
Yes, we are, sir.
Okay, we have to show this part, otherwise you won't get mark. Okay, now what is given here? Write down, but
Sir,
it,
in order
it
to prove this, we have to write the whole thing, show the whole thing.
not getting you again.
So he is asking if we have to show the whole thing again. Yes, sir. We
Yeah,
have to write.
I have written here. You have to show. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and how this was found, you have to show it because it is given the basic formula. So you have to prove this. Okay. Now you see what is given here in this question. Given P of ABC equals to 0, right? Then what is meant by this? That it will be 0. Is it? If it is 0, if it is 0 and its value is this, so we can write A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square
Sir.
minus AB minus BC minus CA equals to 0. Now let me know where you have not got.
So why is the value of P of A, B, C 0?
It is given in the question.
Oh,
It is given in the question,
sorry, sir.
please.
Sorry, sir. I
It's
didn't
okay.
notice that.
Not a matter. Okay. Now, actually, what we know, if the product of two factors is 0, then actually this is suppose 2 into 0, 0 into 2, 0 into 0. It is 0, it is 0, it is 0. If the product of two factors is 0, then the first factor may be 0, the second factor may be 0, both the factors may be 0, right? For two factors, we have three options, right? For two factors, we have three options. So actually, how many factors are there? There are two factors here, right? That means either this will be 0 or this will be 0. But in this question, it is written that this one is not 0. Can you see? The first one is not equal to 0. It is written. So we can write, therefore, the second one is 0. If first one is not 0, it is given in the question. So the second one is equal to 0. And a side note is to be given here that A plus B plus C is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. Definitely this will be 0. Otherwise, how this 0 will be found, right? That means from here we can write A square plus B square plus C square is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Our math is done. Okay. Write down another math. The most important math. If x, y, z is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube. I am sorry, it is not a ABC. X cube plus y cube z cube minus 3 yz. fxyz. Okay, and you are also given here in this math, you are given where x is b plus c. This math will be given. Y is c plus a minus b, and z is a plus b minus c. Suppose it is given in the examination. Have you got it? This is given. Now, what I can do here, can you please tell me, therefore, what is the value of x plus y plus z? Therefore, x plus y plus z equals to what? B plus c minus a, c plus a minus b, a plus b minus c. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then what is the value here? A plus b, because we will get minus a plus a cancelled, minus b plus b cancelled, minus c plus c cancelled.
Yes, sir. A
So
plus B plus C.
we are left with a plus b plus c.
C.
Okay. Now you see, now, therefore, we see here x minus y whole square equals to what? X minus y, right? What is x? B plus c minus a, right? Then what is y? Here y is c plus a minus b, but there is minus sign here. That is minus c minus a plus b. Please try to understand. X minus y, that is x minus y. This minus this. Now we are getting here, you see, we are getting here, you see, here minus c plus c will be omitted. If these are omitted, then we'll be left with 2b minus 2a whole square, right? Now it is not in the cyclic format, so we can write here minus 2 can be taken common, a minus b, that I told you. That means it is 4 a minus b whole square. When you were in class 8, perhaps I showed you a minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. Can you remember? Because it is equal to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square, and it is equal to what? B square minus
2BC plus A square.
2ba plus a square.
Oh, sir, 2BA, sir.
And you see, this is a square, this is a square, this is b square, this is b square, minus 2ab, this is minus
2BC.
2ba. Okay. Now we are getting all, it's okay, we are getting all two equal, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
you know, for algebra, AB and BA, they are same. 4 into 5 is equal to 5 into
To 4.
something. Even for geometry, AB and BA, they are same. The distance between A and B is equal to the distance between B and A. If I say what is the distance between Dhanmondi and Newmarket, and the distance between Newmarket and Dhanmondi, okay, answer will be same, right? Because for distance, no negative sign. But, sorry. But suppose it is A, it is B. You have done from A to B. Then it is A to B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But if you return from B to A,
Yes, sir. Opposite B to A. Yes, sir. That's B to S.
okay,
Yes, sir.
and you see BB will be omitted, AA will be omitted. I mean A to A. What is the answer? 0.
Yes, sir.
The distance. You were at first at A, and at last you are found also at A. So there is no distance, right?
Yes, sir.
So here your starting and ending 0. Then we are getting AB is equal to minus BA. That means in algebra, AB, BA equal. In geometry, AB, BA equal. But in vectors, AB and BA are not equal. They are opposite. Is it? And there is a chapter named matrix. Matrix. Okay. What is matrix? Suppose normally we do equation like this, x plus y equals to 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or x minus y equals to suppose 1. We do this type of math, right?
Yes, sir.
So it can be expressed in matrix. Suppose it is 1, it is 1, it is 3, it is 1, it is what? Minus 1, it is what? 1. This is known as matrix. And if we indicate it like A, and if we get another matrix B, here, 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 here in this matrix, AB is not equal to BA. And somewhere upon condition, you will get AB equals to BA. Somewhere upon condition. Anyway, we'll come to know it time to time. Forget it. Now you see, it is x minus y whole square equals to 4 into a minus b whole square. Now, we are going to find y minus z whole square. Can you find it? Y minus z whole square. Please find it and let me know. Y minus z whole square equals to what? This is the value of y, c plus a minus b. Write down c plus a minus b. I have written the value of y minus z. So it is z. So minus z means what? Thus all the sign will be changed. That is, it will be minus a minus b plus c whole square. Right?
Sir, 4b minus c whole square.
You're right. Then we are getting here plus a minus a will be omitted. Then we are getting here twice c minus twice a whole square. Then we are also getting
No,
here.
sir. Twice B whole. Sir.
I am sorry. It is
A
it is
B whole.
twice c minus twice b. So we are getting here minus 2 b minus c whole square. Okay.
Yes.
That means it is 4 b minus c whole square. Now we are left with the last part. That is to find now z minus x whole square. Z minus x whole square. Can you find it? What is z here? A plus b minus c. It is z. minus x. So it is minus. That is minus b minus c plus a whole square is equal to twice a minus twice c whole square is equal to minus 2 c minus a whole square is equal to 4 into I think you've got me. I
Yes,
have
sir.
tried my level best to make this math easy and simple. It has another rule to do, but the students normally mistake in the exam. Have you copied it?
So done.
Okay. Now you see, it was given at first. In this math, you are not required to prove it. It was given. Math is not done yet. It was given. Now you see, what is the corollary? Half of x plus y plus z. I am putting the corollary is equal to x minus y whole square, y minus z whole square, and it is z minus x whole square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now you put the value. What is the value of x plus y plus z?
Mm.
A plus b plus c.
Yes, sir.
A plus b plus c. Then what is the value of x minus y whole square?
So 4 into a minus b whole square.
4 into a minus b whole square, 4 into b minus c whole square, and here 4 into c minus a whole square. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
I'm চা খাও তো আচ্ছা okay. Now you see, we are getting here. Can we take this 4 common here?
Yes, sir, we can.
And that 4 can be written at first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are left with half of a plus b plus c. Right?
Yes, sir.
And here in the second bracket, 4 has been taken common. So we are left with a minus b whole square,
plus b minus c whole square
b minus c whole square,
plus c minus c whole square.
Now I am not going to multiply or any correction it. Okay, there are too many students. What they do, you know, they just cancel it 2 into 2. No, because why no? Because we know this is a corollary. This is a corollary. This is a corollary. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the corollary?
So 4 and 2 gets cut, so 2 in
Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Just try to understand up to this. Actually, it is what? It was fxyz. So we can write here. This is fxyz. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Okay. Actually, it was fxyz, right? fxyz, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell me what is this? If I write here 4 into fabc, will you mind?
If so, how?
Okay. So this 4 is here. We don't have any functioning on this 4. You see, for x it is a, for
Oh,
y
yes,
it
sir.
is b, for z it is c. So for x it is a, this is a, this is a. For y it is b. For z it is c.
I see. Yes, sir.
For yes, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. It is called function, polynomial function. Now we can write here, or from here we can write, or fxyz by fabc is equal to, can you tell me, 4 by 1.
Yes, sir.
If I get again cross multiplication, then we can come to this line. Now, if we go for invertendo, that is f of abc by f of xyz is equal to 1 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can write here, therefore, f of abc is to f of xyz is equal to 1 is to, this math will be given, this math will be given, this math will be given in the exam. You can talk to me if you don't understand. Write down. Another important math. Write down. Very, very important. 1 by a cube, 1 by b cube, 1 by c cube is given as by 3 by abc. It is given in the exam, in the question. You have to prove that. You have to prove that you have to prove that a equals to b equals to c, or bc plus ca the most important math also. Have you copied it? So what you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
here? What you are getting here? 1 by a whole cube, 1 by b whole cube, 1 by c whole cube, minus. Can you bring this to the left hand side? It is 3 into 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c equals to 0. If we multiply this part, what we'll get? 3 into 1, that is 3 by abc. If we multiply this part, we'll get 3 by abc.
Yes, sir.
And then just I have brought this 3 by abc into the to the left hand side, nothing else I did. This type of math, when you will see in the exam, okay, it is just you have to use corollary. You have to apply corollary here. Now, what is the corollary of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Have got the math? A
Yes, sir.
cube plus b cube plus c cube. Today, at first, that is at the very beginning, we showed you the factorized form. And afterwards, there was a proof of corollary, and that is half of a plus b plus c into, let me know, second bracket, then a minus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Then it is c minus a whole square.
Sir, I
Is
didn't quite understand the last step, sir. Can you explain that again?
what is the corollary of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? Just let
Oh,
me know. Half into a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square plus b
yes, sir.
minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. This is called the corollary.
Correct. Yes,
Can
sir.
you remember? Can you recall your memories that I showed it today, right?
Yes, sir.
And that is corollary. Prove that the second math of the day today. Now,
Yes, sir.
this half will be taken to the right hand side, and with 0, this half, if it is taken to the right hand side will be 0 also. It's okay. So I'm going to write down other than half 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c into 1 by a minus 1 by b into 1 by b minus 1 by c plus 1 by c minus 1 by a is equal to 0. What is the difference? This half is not here. Nothing else I did. Now you are getting again an expression having two factors in the left hand side. Am I right? Talk to me.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we are getting an expression in the left hand side of two factors. Write down either 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c equals to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we just calculate it at first. The calculation is what? ABC is LCM. Then we'll get BC, CA, and AB. Is it?
Yes, sir.
From here we can write what we can write. From here we can write BC plus CA plus AB equals to 0. Have you seen one of the proofs we have done?
Yes, sir.
Now
Oh,
it is, yes, now this part is left yet, right? So what I have considered here, the first part is 0. Now it is written either. Now I have to write or the second part may be 0. That is 1 by a minus 1 by b is equal to, sorry, plus 1 by b minus 1 by c plus 1 by c, 1 by c is equal to 0, right?
yes, sir.
The second part also will be 0 if there is no condition applied. Okay, now this is the math.
So,
Very
sir,
good.
can you explain this step again?
The second factor is 0. Nothing else I have written.
Mm.
There are two factors.
Oh, yes.
Okay. First factor may be 0, second factor may be 0, both may be 0. Okay, now you see what I am going to show you. Please pay attention here. Otherwise, you may not understand. You see, a square equals to 0. Actually, it is a positive number. A is minus 2. Is it possible to become 0? No, it is not possible. It is 4. It is 4. It is not possible to become 0. You see, that is the value of a square. The value of a square is always positive, right? Is always positive. Unless you write down, unless a is 0. That means if a equals to 0, we get a square equals to 0 square, that is equal to 0. Please try to understand. That means the value of a square is greater than equal to 0. Please try to understand. Have you got me or not? Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
It is called non-negative. This sign greater than equal to 0 is called non-negative. I am not telling positive. Positive what? It is positive. It is positive. Negative what? It is negative, but it is not possible to become less than 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Less than 0 is negative. Greater than 0 is positive, but greater than equal to 0 is called non-negative. 0 is called a non-negative number. 0 is not positive, 0 is not negative. As anyway, you see, please pay attention. But if it is written a square plus b square equals to 0, then what is the value of a and b?
So 0.
There is no value in the world other than 0. It is possible if and only if a 0, b 0. Otherwise, it will never become 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means you write down a statement. We know it is to be written in the exam hall. We know if the sum of the squares of some term, I am not getting you.
Yes, sir.
If the sum of the squares of some terms is equal to 0, then they are individually equal to 0. That I told you, individually. The word is
Individually, sir.
individually, because I showed you. Suppose a square plus b square plus c square is 0. If ABC are not individually 0, then it will be always greater than 0, because there is no minus sign here. That will make 0. Okay, so when the sum will 0, the sum will 0 if there is a minus sign. Otherwise, it is never 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but there is no negative here. So, it is always greater than 0, but it is 0 if and only if A0, B0, and C0. They are individually equal to 0. That I have mentioned here. That means sum they. What are they here? Can you tell me, please? Which one will be 0 here? 1 by A minus 1 by B whole square. No. Here they means this is they. They are squares. Okay. Here 1 by b, 1 by c equals to 0. And here 1 by c, 1 by a equals to 0. That means we are getting here 1 by a equals to 1 by b. What? A equals to b. We are getting here 1 by b equals to 1 by c. That means here b equals to c. We are getting here 1 by c equals to 1 by a. That is c equals to a. Actually, what is happening here? We are getting a equals to b, b equals to c, c equals to a. That means from these three, we can conclude that yes, a equals to b equals to c. That I told you at first. That prove that a equals to b equals to c. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another math. You see. Please, who is talking? If a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. Okay, prove that. Prove that a plus b plus c equals to 0, or okay, the same math. Sorry. Have you copied the math?
Yes, sir.
Actually, what can be done here? You see, it can be written implies that half into a plus b plus c into a minus b whole square, then b minus c whole square, then c minus a. Can you write this?
Yes, sir. I mean, it's the corollary, sir.
Now, you have copied it.
So, just 1 second. So, done.
Okay. Now you see, if this half is taken to the right hand side, in the next step, can you write this? That half is not anymore. Yes, we can. So from here, we can write down a plus b plus c equals to 0, or a minus b whole square, b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square equals to 0. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Can you remember just 1 to 2 minutes back, I wrote something here, sum up. Can you remember sum of the squares?
Yes, sir.
From then, we can write a minus b equals to 0, b minus c equals to 0, c minus a equals to 0. That means here a equals to b, B equals to C, C equals to A. That is, from these three, we can write A equals to B equals to C. Please try to understand. Talk to me and try to understand. Everybody, not getting you. Are you there? Hello. Are you there, please? Are you muted? Hello.
স্যার 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 আসে স্যার মাইক কাজ করতেছিল না হঠাৎ করে স্যার
Okay, it may be only for you, but it is for all. Or they don't know how to talk. If any of you wants to talk, you just unmute. Okay. There is an option, mute and unmute. Left hand side below your screen of the cell phone. Okay. If you are unmuted, suppose in the cell phone, there is button here like this. Okay. It is written mute. That means you can talk. Okay. If it is, but if the sign is given like this type of sign is given, then you cannot talk.
yes sir
Please try to understand. Then what will you do? You just click here to talk. Okay. Some of you are not talking totally. Okay, so you must have the operation. Or if you think that you will not talk to me, or you will not talk to the teacher, or you will not interact, then there is no, I mean, what can I say, necessity to take class over Zoom. Then the classes can be taken over Facebook group. If the students normally don't cooperate.
yes sir
I think you have got me. Okay, that's good. Anyway, I'm going to another math. A
sir,
plus
can
B.
this math be the last math today sir I mean
No, because I have another math. A plus B plus C equals to 0. Then prove that, I mean, this A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be done today. Okay. From the next day, I will not repeat this. Okay. And it is my character to do same type of math in the same day. I think I've got it.
yes sir
This math was given in class 8 book. It is homework. You will do it, and in the messenger group, you will post it.
okay sir
You'll okay today after this class. What will you do from here? You will write A plus B equals to minus C, and you will put into corollary only this part. Then the math is done.
Sir, I think you give the same thing in class 8 exam.
That you are right. I told you in class 8. I mentioned, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Baba, that you have recalled your memories. Okay. Now a math will be given with award. Okay. Number 1, factorization. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus 2. You have to factorize.
So what is this, sir? Sorry, so can you tell that again? I mean, award, what is this, sir?
Award means you will be awarded
Oh,
if you can resolve into factors.
okay, sir.
Number 1 and number 2, x to the power 6, 5x cube plus 8.